and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have an awesome vanity mirror to share with you, and it's a lighted makeup mirror. Now this company reached out to me to review this and unbox this here on my channel for you, and they're an Amazon seller, so I'll have the link down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out, guys. That link is below in the description bar along with a coupon code just in case you're interested in this baby. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now I've seen these on Instagram as well as here. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is how it comes. It comes packaged really nicely, and there's a USB cord in here, so it looks like we can charge this up. And from what I saw on the outside of this box, we can use batteries to power this. So we're gonna go ahead and truly unbox it to see what we got going on here. Now I have this in the color rose gold. It's more of a pinky color though, but it's rose gold, but I guess that's what rose gold is. It looks pink, right? It's pink. So, but this is cute though. I love this one. But the color is very nice. So this is the mirror. Oh, let me just turn it this way because my ring light is all up in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is really big. I didn't expect it to be this big. But yeah, it doesn't power on. So we're gonna go ahead and put the batteries in it, get it charged up, ready to go, hooked up. And this is the foot stand for it. And you just pop it on just like this. It just should pop in place just like that. So that's how this works. You just pop this baby on and it sits on your vanity like so, just like this. Look at that. That is pretty big. So it has the magnification areas. This is 3 times and this is 2 times. Ooh, that is all up in there. So that's really cool. So I like that. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and put some batteries in it because it is not charged. So we're gonna do it that way. We're not gonna power it using the cord. I'm just in a rush because I don't know if you have to charge this. And like I said, this was an unboxing and I had some batteries right here on hand because I keep batteries around in my drawers here. You just always need batteries, and this takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AAA batteries. And these are just regular batteries that I pick up from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and insert them. Yeah, but this is really neat. I can see me using this a lot, especially in here in this room, because I don't have a vanity mirror in here. So this one's perfect because I eventually want to transfer all my things over to this room. I like to call this my YouTube / dressing room type situation. All right, so now I have the batteries and I'm going to put the backing back on. Alright, and then there's a power switch here on the back, so we want to turn that on, I'm assuming. Alright, yeah. And this is the touchscreen display here. Oh, look at that. And you just tap it to cut it on and off. So this is really neat, and I love the fact that it takes batteries, so I can travel with this. So this is a great travel vanity mirror. So this is also good for personal use as well as your artistry use if you want to use some type of portable glam mirror. So this is the mirror for you. So be sure to check out the description box below, as I do have a coupon code for this, so you definitely want to check this out. And this is very affordable. So yes, guys, that is it for me. Let me know what you think. Do you already have one of these? Have you seen these before? This is so neat, and this is by a brand called Homever, and this is their brand name right here on it. Oh, this is so nice, and I love this little tray right here, so you can actually put things there. Nice, very nice. But yeah, that's it for me. Let me know what you think. I will see you in my next video. Bye. This is too cute. I'm just gonna leave this set up right here.